Good afternoon, guys. This is our lure for today from Impumar. So Japanese design but made in China. So I bought it from Timo. Made in China. I bought it in Timo at around 27 dirhams. So this is the color, guys. Seem also like legendary Rapala Magnums. The color is quite good. It's a little the head is little, what you call the color. It's not simply red, but it's quite red and silver. Yeah, good. A silver lure. Head is red silver lure. Yeah, good design. Good hook, big hook also. This is also a trolling lure. I like go trolling. Thank you.